Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jeff Amen here. Alright, what I'm going to do in this video is kind of go over the evolution of Jeff's making money online experience. I'm going to show you how I started off and how I've evolved over the years and really the big breakthroughs that I've had, and maybe you can identify with these certain junctures that I was at in my business, and maybe you can identify where you're at right now. And that way you can just leapfrog and go right to the part where, I mean, your income explodes. All right. So let's go ahead and start how I first started off when I got online. When I first started off, I was trying to send traffic directly to an affiliate offer. All right. Just sending it directly to a sales page. And I was thinking, hey man, I'm getting a few hundred clicks a day. I can make a couple of sales per day, and I can make some nice income. All right, I just need to get a lot of traffic. All right, so what I soon found out is that doesn't work. All right, you would need just an exorbitant amount of traffic to make that business model work. All right, and then I started to send my traffic to I finally started building my list. All right. Then I would send people to a capture page, and then I would send them to the affiliate offer or the sales page. All right. So I simply just added one more step, which was collecting the email, and then of course I was following up via email. I had an email sequence, and I would make some sales there, but it was never enough to be able to quit the job. I mean, I had to, most of the sales didn't come right at the front. Usually the only reason why the sales came is because I would follow up with email. All right, so you're not going to get a lot of sales in this model right here at the front because this is missing a step. All right, and those stand for emails. All right, so that was my second juncture. I was collecting the email, I was sending it to a sales page. I was still kind of leaving me out. All right, I was following up via emails, but I was still just not getting the results I wanted. All right, and so then when I started really getting the results, I started making enough money to actually quit the job, and this is what I was doing. All right, capture page to a bridge page, then to the offer, or the sales page, whatever you want to call it. So it would look like this. I'd have my opt-in page, then people would go to the bridge page where I had a video of me kind of explaining the product, why I like the product, how the product was actually helping me. And then on this page also I would have bonuses. All right. So the bridge page would have a video of me explaining why I liked the product, why it was getting me good results, and then I would have bonuses for people that would, if they went ahead and decided to join the product. I mean, get the product, right? So with this, I was using a lot of recurring income products and things of that nature. So I was able to build up my recurring revenue with this model right here enough to where I could say goodbye to the job. So that is essentially the capture page, the bridge page with bonuses, and then people would be taken to the sales page. And then of course I would follow up everybody that came through the capture page. I would follow up with emails. Okay. And then you'd have the email follow-up. Guys, this right here is what helped me quit my job. Okay. Now then, I've taken it to the next level here, and this is when everything just started getting crazy. All right, and it started getting crazy really fast. As you can imagine, already seeing success, enough success to be able to quit my job was fantastic. But at this point, I really didn't think that I could take it to a different level. I just knew that I could increase it by sending more traffic and things of that nature, and by continuing to email daily and all that kind of stuff. But I didn't really know that there was a mechanism that I could add here in this process that would not only increase lead flow, but increase conversions and just increase my income virtually overnight. All right. So let's go ahead and get into what that looks like. All right. So the funnel that I use today and that I kind of stumbled on, I mean, I'd known about these funnels for a while, but I never really had one and put it into action. All right. And so this is the type of funnel that I use now that absolutely just puts me on a different level. Okay. So we've got the capture page. All right. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to a bridge page right here, but this bridge page is going to have something built into it that just is going to make it, 10 times better than the regular bridge page. All right, so this bridge page is actually going to have a viral component. Okay, so the same way in my other bridge page, we're going to have a product. All right, we're going to have a product that we are promoting, and this product is going to be something, it can be anything, right? But it's going to be something that has a lot of value and that people really want access to. All right. And then there is going to be two different ways they can get this product. So if you remember, the process that made me a lot of money was the capture page, bridge page, sales page, right? So here we're going to do the capture page, bridge page. This is going to have a mechanism in it. It's still going to have the sales page. So you're still going to be making that sale, but it's also going to have a viral share built into it. So what does that mean? So, all right, they're going to hit the capture page. They're going to come to the bridge page, and you're going to be like, hey, this product is awesome. I absolutely recommend it. This is, some of the results it's been getting me. It's completely changed my business. I want to give you a chance to get it free. All right. And so then people are going to have the option to refer others. Okay. And it can be as many people as you want. All right. I usually set them up to refer 3 to get access to the product. All right. So people are going to be able to refer 3, or you're going to have a link to the sales page. You can be like, or, if you don't want to refer 3, then of course you can go to the sales page and just buy straight out if you don't want to wait. But you do have the option to get 3. So you're going to be surprised, folks, how many people actually come and actually just buy straight out. All right. And you're going to be, we're talking probably about 60% of the people that want to take action and get this product, 60% are just going to go ahead and buy, and about 40% are going to share. All right, so what happens with this share aspect? All right, so what's going to happen is people are going to start referring to get access. They're going to refer 3, and then those 3 people are going to come through the funnel. They're going to see the exact same thing. They're either going to be able to purchase or refer. And then those 3 people, and those 3 people. It's an infinite viral loop. So guys, not only are you building your subscriber list, but you are just infinitely getting more people to your sales page and more people to refer. All right. So your list is going to absolutely just explode. And of course, as your list explodes, you're going to have more people on your sales page. So you're going to be making more money. All right, I hope that makes a lot of sense. Now, there's a lot of different types of products that you can give away. All right, let's just go ahead and finish the funnel. All right, so now you have subscribers coming in the front, and it's just going over and over again. People referring 3, subscribers coming in, and then, of course, they're going to be hitting the daily email. Now, here's what I recommend if you're already promoting something. Like, for example, my latest giveaway, my latest viral funnel, I had my own product, right? And so people could either refer 3 to get free access to it, or they could just purchase it. All right. Now you can do the same thing. There are a ton of products out there, and in fact, one of my bonuses for this is you actually get access to products that cost money, that are actually listed on affiliate networks like Warrior Plus. So what's going to happen is you can apply for these affiliate programs, and then people come through, they refer 3, you give them access to the affiliate program, or if they don't want to refer, they go straight to your affiliate link and then they purchase. All right, so we want to make sure that we have something set up like that for the viral giveaway. Now then, here's what I do to get instant traffic to all of the people that come through, and they either refer or they buy the product. All right, on the thank you page, let me just go ahead and bring this up. Here's my thank you page. And let's see here. My screen actually isn't covering the entire thing. Apologize for that. But all right, so here's my page here. Step 1, get access to your courses. I give people access to my Profit Swift YouTube traffic course, and also my Instagram course for this particular giveaway. Now people are going to come to this page regardless of whether they share with 3 or they purchase, right? So they're going to see this. Step 2, get a 48 free hour pass revealing the secret affiliate program. All right, and so then step 2, I'm sending them directly to one of my main income streams, which is the Get Paid with George program. I'm sending them straight to a webinar. So as you can see, I'm building my list. I'm earning money with, of course, with my Profit Swift YouTube course, and then of course I'm building an income directly. Buyers, people who either shared or purchased, are going to get access. They're going to see right in front of them one of my main income streams online. All right. So how powerful is that? You can have a thank you page like this, to where people are going to come through. They're going to be able to get access to your giveaway. But then on step 2, you can have a link sending them anywhere you want. So if you have a program right now that you're promoting, you already have a business opportunity, you can not only make that initial money off of your giveaway, but you can also get people directly in front of your opportunity right away, and they're going to be more open and more receptive to it because they've already gotten access to your giveaway. They already know you, and so by the time they get to step 2, they're going to be very, very receptive to what you have to offer, and your sales are going to increase. All right, and I'm going to give you a template. One of the bonuses here is actually a thank you page template that you can use. So where am I? All right, so I just want you to realize how fast that can explode whatever it is you're currently doing, plus earn you a ton of upfront commissions. Some people are visual, and I've told you guys about this the last few days, but I haven't really drawn it out, and I don't know if you've actually seen the power. I know that for some people, when I explain it to them like this, they understand, and it kind of like the light bulb goes off. All right. So also, if you're already promoting something, all right, then you can also put, how I have this right here. Get your free 48-hour pass, and I'm promoting the Get Paid with George system. You can also add that in the PS in your emails. Of course, after you go through the sequence and you have people, your first initial sequence is going in your autoresponder is going to be sending people back to the sales page. But then directly after that, I recommend, it's called funnel stacking. I recommend putting them into a sequence with your main opportunity. All right, then you can send them a group of emails that is 5 or 7 days long that promotes your main opportunity. And of course, you're going to have hundreds of subscribers coming in and reading your emails because your list is going to be growing like wildfire. So guys, as soon as I put this viral component into my funnel, everything changed. There's only one different component here. All right, you're giving, instead of sending people from your bridge page directly to the sales page, you're giving people an option. You're giving people an option to refer others to get free access, and you're giving people the chance to just go ahead and buy. So these are two very, very valuable subscribers to have, right? You have people that are taking action, whether they're taking action by pulling out their credit card and buying the product, or they're taking action by referring three. These are action takers. These are the types of subscribers that you want on your list. And these are the type of subscribers that are going to be seeing your thank you page when they get access either through buying or through referring. Okay. All right. Hopefully that makes a lot of sense, guys. This is List Building 2.0. Like I say, I was able to quit my job simply with these three components: capture page, bridge page, sales page, and email. 4 components. All right. Now with this extra added viral component, you're going to be able to just take things to a whole new level, and it can happen very, very quickly, and that's the viral aspect of it. All right, so UpViral will allow you to do this. I've already got offers that you can use, and these are offers that you're going to be able to give people for free. So people are going to hit the bridge page, they're going to see an offer, they can refer 3 and they'll get free access, or they can actually purchase. And guess what? You're going to get an affiliate commission when people purchase. So you're going to win either way. Then you're going to be able to explode. And of course, your list is going to be just multiplying from the people who refer. And your bank account's going to be multiplying from the people who purchase. And then you're going to be able to start building those multiple streams of income, just like I showed you, where one of my main income streams is the Get Paid with George program. Immediately when people either purchase or refer 3, immediately, as you saw on my thank you page, I send them directly to that offer. And then of course you can follow up by email, send them directly to your main offer that you promote. And of course now they're on your list, so you can introduce your new subscribers to anything that will help them. And of course you can make commissions along the way. Hopefully this makes sense, guys. This is truly a funnel that will set you apart from 99.99% of every other internet marketer out there, and it's going to get you better results than 99.99% of any other internet marketer out there. So I look forward to having you with me in UpViral. I will help you get this type of funnel set up. I promise you it's going to be a game changer. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye.